The neighborhood's gonna be here.
Wow.
Got his own bounce house.
I've never heard of that. That's so cool.
Thank you, Uncle Scott. Mom,
Oh, that is gonna be so much fun.
maybe somebody will blow it up for you. Yeah.
Yep.
That's pretty cool, man.
That's
Okay,
cool.
okay, and I'll pick this stuff up and be ready.
Huh? Here, let's open another one. Somebody will blow that up for you in a little bit, I'm sure.
Doesn't it feel good?
Look at this big one. What's this big one?
Okay.
Can you open that one?
Open that one. That's my fancy wrapping paper. I
Read
couldn't
the
find
card
any big
first.
sheets. He's very much interested in that box particularly.
This one's from Granny and Grandpa. Open this one, and Uncle Scotty will blow this up for you in just a little bit. Where you put it out in the backyard? I don't know how big it is.
Front yard.
How big is it?
I don't know. Probably 12 by 12.